Good morning, traders. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2026. One AI giant is trading at its all-time high right now, and its indicators say the breakout may not be done yet. We are breaking down Broadcom's chart in full detail right after today's global market recap. Here is what matters before Wall Street opens. Let's start with what happened overnight. In Asia, Japan's Nikkei gained 0.43%, closing at 38,430. Technology stocks led the gains. Hong Kong's Hang Seng dipped slightly, down 0.31%, as traders held back ahead of today's critical CPI reading. Shanghai edged up 0.15% with modest policy support. In Europe, the open is cautiously positive. Germany's DAX is up 0.3%. France's CAC 40 is up 0.18%. The FTSE 100 in London is barely lower, slightly weighed down by oil stocks as crude prices ticked higher. In the U.S., Monday was another record-setting close. The S&P 500 gained 0.19% to close at 7,412, a new all-time high. The Nasdaq inched up 0.1% to 26,274, also a fresh record. Both indexes hit all-time intraday highs during the session. The Dow gained 95 points. Here is what is potentially driving markets today. The April Consumer Price Index drops at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. This is the single most market-moving data point of the week. S&P Global forecasts headline CPI will reach 5% for 2026. Oil is rising again today, up 2.59% to $97.89, as Iran tensions remain unresolved, adding to inflation pressure. Here is what the two outcomes mean. A cool reading means the Federal Reserve gets closer to cutting interest rates, good for growth stocks, and could push the Nasdaq toward 27,000. A hot reading means the Fed stays hawkish, rates stay higher for longer, and tech comes under pressure. Coming up right now, today's chart of the day. Broadcom is sitting at its all-time high this morning, and the indicators are telling a very specific story. Let's go to the charts. Broadcom is currently at $428.43, right at its all-time high. During today's session, it touched $433.65 intraday. That intraday high is the key resistance level to watch. First, the moving averages. The stock is trading above all 5 of its key moving averages. The EMA 20 is at $406. Price is $22 above it. The EMA 40 is at $384. The MA 50 is at $361. The MA 150 at $352. The MA 200 at $344. Every single moving average is pointing upward, and price is above all of them. That is the strongest possible bullish alignment you can see on a chart. Second, the RSI. The RSI is at 64.95. This is in the healthy bullish zone, between 50 and 70. It is not overbought. It has not reached the danger zone of 80 or above. This tells us the momentum behind this move is still healthy, and there is more fuel left in the tank before the market would consider this stretched. Third, the MACD. The MACD is at negative 1.33, while the signal line is at 18.87, both strongly positive numbers overall. The histogram is stabilizing after a brief pause. This tells us the big rally is taking a short breath, not reversing. Fourth, volume at 9.56 million shares, healthy and steady. No signs of panic selling or distribution at these levels. Here are the key levels every trader should know. Resistance, the intraday high at $433.65. This is the line in the sand. A confirmed daily close above 433 opens the door to $450 to $475. Support on any pullback. The EMA 20 at $406 is the first floor. Below that, the EMA 40 at $384 is the next cushion. The MA 50 at $361 is strong structural support. Bottom line, Broadcom is at an ATH breakout attempt right now, RS. I says momentum is healthy. M ACD says the pause is normal. All MAs are bullish. If CPI comes in cool today and the market rallies, this stock could break out clean above 433 and run toward 450. Watch the close today carefully. 3 things every trader should watch today. Number 1, CPI at 8:30 a.m. This is the most important number today. Cool inflation is the catalyst that unlocks the next market leg higher. Hot inflation is the speed bump that slows everything down. Number 2, Broadcom at $433.65. That intraday high is your breakout trigger. A confirmed daily close above 433 means the ATH breakout is real and 450 is the next target. A rejection at that level means wait for a healthy pullback toward the EMA20 at 406. Number 3, Iran and oil. Trump is due to visit Beijing, and the development might affect oil price. Oil price is your real-time geopolitical signal. Oil down means hope. Oil up means worry. Stocks are at all-time highs, but the macro risks are real. Stay disciplined, watch the data, and follow the levels. That is your Global Market Pulse Daily for Tuesday, May 12th. Subscribe for tomorrow's update, posted every morning at 7 a.m. Eastern. Happy trading!